It is really pleasure for me to talk to you and to be with you. I will touch particularly renewable energy because I am working now with the energy department. As all of you know that we get energy mainly from thermal, then hydel, and hydel is also one of the renewable energy. Other renewable energies are solar, wind, biomass, bagasse, geothermal, and as on today, renewable energy mainly comes one from the hydel generation. In Andhra Pradesh, we have a capacity of installed capacity of 3,800 megawatt, but the PLF, that is plant load factor, comes to approximately only 25 to 28%, which is quite low. It is because it depends totally on what water we get in the catchment area and then filling of the water with the dams, and accordingly it is being generated, the electricity is being generated. So the PLF is quite low, but still it is, we can say, we use the hydel generation mainly for our peaking purpose. Peaking means whenever the load goes very high, particularly in the peak load time, that is between 6:30 p.m. to the 10:30 p.m., then we use maximum the hydel generation so that we can meet that peak load. But as on today, we can say unfortunately this year our projects have not been filled up and the hydel generation has come down to the barest minimum. We are getting only 17 million units per day. Last year we were getting almost 66 million units per day. So almost losing a 50 million units per day during this peak season of what we call as a hydel generation season. The base we call for energy is mainly thermal, because thermal is where we constantly run and we get. But thermal, again, the fuel is coal, and as all of you know, if you are going for more for thermal generation, the main problem is that there will be a pollution, and at the same time the reserves of the coal are very less. As on today, main domestic in our country, the main production comes from the Coal India Limited. That is, Coal India Limited has 10 subsidiaries, and in addition to that, we have in our own Andhra Pradesh Singareni Coal Company.